straight, George. I'm up here.
I want to go walk up there. All right. She looks nice. All right, there's no turning back now. Taking off. Frank, calm my nerves down somehow.
Calm the nerves. Alright. Straight down the
All right, taking off, guys. I think the trim though. No, bigger. I need to go higher. Come to me. I worry about losing something. That's right. I didn't know which stuff. I got it.
You want up?
Yeah, that's better. Alright, we're good now. She's up.
Feel sensitive or?
Alright, good. Now it's good. That's what happens when you build IC2. I won't fly for too long. I don't know how long the battery will last. So. Low pass. Done. And that's with the big prop. If I put a smaller prop on it, it's not going to fly good, is it? That's half throttle. Let's have a look. I didn't put in timer on, so. Alright guys, here we go. Shame our field is so small. I won't do anything here. Nice bank and turn. Huh? Alright, gonna try approach for landing, okay? Just an approach. I'll flip the flaps on, see what happens. Flaps on. See, it pops. Flaps off. Let's dive. Not letting approach guys, don't worry.
See how it goes with the wheels down.
Alright, here you go. Flaps down. Slow down a bit. I don't slow down too much.
No, you gotta keep the power on.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see with the flaps on. That's what flaps on. Okay?
One stage?
One stage, yeah. One stage flaps. I'll come in with that, I think. Go gear down. Go out. Approach for landing, guys. Hey. I don't know how sort of slow I can go now. Alright, landing.
Time 4:15.
I have.
Oh!
Oh, it snapped off. It's alright, she's good. Front view snapped off.